Hello guys, this is the first part of Photoshop tutorial series that I am starting. All the videos are going to contain some bonus tips and tricks and all the tools that you can master in order to create various things like this and this. So stay tuned till the end and subscribe my channel so you don't miss any videos and you can master Photoshop. Now let's start with the intro. Let's quickly start with the first tool. That is the move tool, which is available on the toolbar, which is on the left side. The shortcut for move tool is V. You can press V to access move tool anytime. What it does is it helps you to move. Not to move on. You can move any layer in Photoshop screen within the bounds or outside it. Anything that goes outside the bounds of the screen or the canvas that you have decided while creating the file won't be visible completely. Only the part that lies within the bounds will be visible. So I'll just quickly undo this. Just click and hold and move your mouse to any side wherever you want the image to be moved. Now what if you want to move the image into straight line? Just press and hold shift key and move it. You can either move it vertically, horizontally or diagonally. These are different axes that you can use while moving your image in a straight line. Okay, next tool we are going to see is Artboard tool. If you are familiar with concept of Illustrator and artboards in Illustrator, you may know this, but for those who don't, I'll just quickly explain it with an example. Artboards are nothing but pages. Whatever you can draw within the bounds of page will be visible to you. And now it's up to you whether you want to keep 1 page, 2 page, 3 page or as many pages as you want in one folder or one file. So I'll just quickly draw 2-3 different pages. Here's the artboard. So I've created 3 artboards. I'll just go on the left side and go to the move tool. We'll move the images to one of the boards. This one to here and this one here. As you can clearly see, the images are bigger than the artboards. So the images get cropped, not actually cropped, but they aren't visible. If we try to move it, the part that comes inside the artboard will be visible to us. So these were artboards. You can use this and you can export these artboards separately. So when you try to export these or using file, export as PNG, these 3 artboards will be separated. As in 3 different image files will get exported, each of the size of the artboards respectively. Now let's quickly undo this, go to the start. Okay, the next tools are selection tools, but I'm going to make a different video on that because these are going to be very detailed. We'll learn how to prepare a selection, use mask tool, how to refine a selection, and how you can make some changes in the selections. So that will be for another tutorial. Stay tuned for that. Next tool we are going to see is crop tool. If you know about crop tool, you know that you can use it to change size of the frame and anything outside the frame size won't be visible to us. Photoshop gives us 2 different options while cropping. One is delete crop pixels and another is content aware. To activate this content aware option, we'll just convert this smart object into a rasterized layer. To understand what is the difference between smart object and rasterized layer, I'll drop a video soon. Stay tuned for that. So subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's start. We have converted this into a rasterized layer. If I click on delete crop pixels and once I reduce the size from the actual image, all the remaining pixels outside the boundary that we have decided will get deleted. We'll just quickly shift to move tool and we'll see what has happened. If you can see, like there was some part of the image there earlier, but now it has got deleted. We'll just quickly undo this. Crop tool, content aware, I'll uncheck the delete crop pixels and I will try to increase the bounds on right side. And once I click enter or confirm the crop selection, Photoshop will analyze all the pixels available in the area and will try to fill the transparent area. It might not come out perfect, but many a times it comes out perfect. Right now it looks ugly, so we'll just change it and undo it. This totally depends on the picture and where you are increasing the size which pixels are transparent still. It all depends on the picture and the modifications you are doing. So you can experiment with this. That's it for today. If you want more such content, please subscribe, like, share, and comment, which gives me motivation to create more content that is simple and easy to understand. Until then, bye bye.